Olukurira by'amakuru omu kitongole kya Vision Group Barbara Kaija yayihanangiza abantu okugurira abaana baabo empapula z'amakuru nka New Vision na Bukedde babase kuguma nibashoma babase kuhika ebigezo. Ebi yabigamba ha mbuga nkuru z'ekitongole kya Save the Children ekirikushangwa Muyenga aho baba bagiire kusiima enkoragana nungi eriho hagati ya Save the Children na Vision Group.
barikuvuganaho abebembezi b'ekitongole kya Save the Children omu maka gaabo amakuru omuri Muyenga Kampala orukurira by'amakuru omu Vision Group Barbara Kaija yasiima ekitongole kya Save the Children abw'enkoragana ekitwire kiine n'empapula za Vision Group na munonga olwa New Vision.
Have kept this partnership strong and grown it from newspapers in education to media in education. The partnership between Vision Group and Save the Children International started 8 years ago in 2014.
But it is a big contribution to these children that have benefited from these partnerships. So for us as Vision Group, this is what we call the corporate citizenship. We can't be out there to make money, sell newspapers and get money, but the partnerships like this one with Save the Children are some of those that makes us proud. When we go back home, we know that we are making a contribution, however humble. You know, sometimes you make a contribution and you are wondering, in the scheme of things in the whole world, I may not go to Afghanistan and stop the war. I may not eradicate hunger in the whole of Karamoja region. But if you benefit a few children, these few, for them you have changed their whole world.
As Save the Children, we focus on ensuring that as many as we can be able to reach of the children are able to access education. Of course, it is all our dream that they are able to access quality education. And that's our dream.
Barbara Kaija yaahamya ngu ebyobwegese na munonga obo barakonja kwejunisa empapula z'amakuru zitari zimwe na zimwe omu New Vision na Bukedde ezinezo kongira amaani omukwera omwegi obuteberwe n'okworeberezamo omushomesa.
Besides improving literacy and numeracy, the program through this partnership also aims at empowering children about their rights, offering them a platform for their voices to be heard and also to contribute to policy formation. Through the current program cycle, will run for 5 years, 2019 to 2023, though the contract is renewed annually depending on the deliverables.
Barbara Kaija nayihanangiriza na munonga abazaire okugumizamo barukozesa empapula kurwa mu kampuni za Vision Group abeegi tibakasigwa nyuma.
New Vision pledges to ensure that we shall always continue to serve these communities. We shall do value for money by delivering the learning materials through our circulation team, which is headed by Mr. Agawa, and a job they deliberately, they do well. They follow up to the communities to see what is happening.
Orukwebembera ebya program operations za Save the Children International yakoze omucogo na ukonja kusima kampuni ya Vision Group yaraganisa okuguma nibakoragana nayo kokukitwire.
I can assure you from Save the Children, the relationship we have had has not just been a relationship between Save the Children and Vision Group. It has been one of the major contributions that we know that it has affected the lives of children.
Itoba Vision Group twijaha aha Save the Children kubebaza ahabumurumo ogutwire ntukoragana nabo tumazire emyaka 8 turukwatanisa n'aba Save the Children ahabwa abana omukushomesa abana na munonga ombicweka ebya Karamoja na Chori omukwega barukuraba omahurire barukugashoma bari ku mbone bari kugegesezamo
abitukushika munonga n'abana bo mu primary emyaka 6 kuza myaka 12 kandi obuherezo tukuba ntubahereza nubarabiro mu mashomero okubahika.
Enkwatanisa hagati ya kampuni ya Vision Group na Save the Children International kukatandika omwaka 2014.